Hi. So I thought if I have to sit at one place and then record all the videos, maybe that's not always doable and possible. इसलिए जब मैं जो कर रही होंगी मैं उसी टाइम रिकॉर्ड कर दूंगी to keep it as real as possible. So right now, there are two things that are happening. One, I have to get ready for a date with my husband. It's a date night. And I thought I should record about Soulful Streets. Where did the idea come from? How did we give it a birth? So all of it I want to talk about in this video. If you think cooking is my passion, again, the camera's there. Let's start it again. So if you think cooking is my passion, no, not really. If you think I always wanted to open a cafe, no, that's not true as well. I always wanted to become an actress.
हीरोइन मुझे बना देना $100 चढ़ाऊंगी बदले में.
And I could not do that. I could not give it a shot because of responsibilities, because of a lot of things. Do I feel bad about it? Not really. I don't regret it anymore at all. And my father used to always repeatedly tell me this from school to my job whenever any inconvenience has happened and I have lost motivation or started blaming my life or choices. He always said, अगर मन का हो बहुत अच्छा, अगर मन का ना हो तो और भी अच्छा, क्योंकि फिर वो उसके मन का होता है and वो कभी भी हमारा बुरा नहीं चाहते. So this is something that has been very close to me and my heart, and that's always helped me not form any regrets in life. So that's not a regret anymore. So let's get back to getting ready and Soulful Streets. Now Soulful Streets came into existence after exploiting my health. जब मैं कॉलेज गई, that was of course like any other person the first time that I stepped out of my house and I had the freedom to do anything and most importantly to eat anything. तो मैंने बहुत जंक खाना शुरू किया. This is what we're talking about 2013, 2014, 15. उसके बाद मैंने जॉब स्टार्ट की एंड तब तक भी अकल नहीं आई और मैं बहुत जंक खाती थी, बहुत बाहर का खाना खाती थी और मेरी हेल्थ हमेशा ही खराब रहती थी. आई हैव अ वेरी सेंसिटिव गट एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज, immunity issues in my body. Then COVID hit और उस टाइम घर पे स्टक होके बाहर से ऑर्डर करने का ऑप्शन था नहीं. That's when I started to eat healthy, exercise, and because I had put on a lot of weight and I wanted to lose some weight, and at the same time I started cooking healthy meals क्योंकि वो normal oats खाना मुझे बहुत बोरिंग लगता था. तो उस टाइम पे जब ये सारे कुकरी चैनल्स नहीं थे इंस्टाग्राम पे, मैं खुद के मन से जो मुझे मन करता था क्रिएट करती थी. बी इट ओट्स रोटी विच आई थिंक आई हैड डिस्कवर्ड लॉन्ग अगो और टोफू भुर्जी. तो ये सब मैं अपने मील में इंक्लूड करती थी एंड देन आई लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट एंड मैं बहुत फिट हो गई. नाउ कोविड चला गया और मेरी अच्छी हैबिट्स भी चली गई. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आया एक बहुत ही गंदा फेज इन माय लाइफ व्हिच वाज अ वेरी बिग एपिसोड ऑफ डिप्रेशन. एंड उस टाइम तक भी मुझे नहीं समझ आया. And actually it's very sad that a lot of people out there do not know that most of the time if you're going through anxiety or mental health issues, it's majorly because of what we eat and less to do about the circumstances out there in our lives. If this part of our life we sort it out, it becomes easier to फेस दोज चैलेंजेस ऑफ लाइफ, और वो समझ मुझे तब नहीं थी. सो या दिस हैपेंड इन 2021. उसके बाद फिर से मैं हेल्दी भी खाती थी, जंक भी खाती थी, बट द जंक was not completely out of my life until 2024, जब मैं वापस घर आई और I started connecting dots of whatever had happened in my life, all the health issues, and one major health issue occurred. That was, I have been declared at the stage of menopause, which I don't agree with, and I don't think that's it. I think it's curable with good food, because food can heal you. That's why I also started a series on Instagram which is called Healing with the Plate, because I really feel a plate can heal you. So that's something happened, and that's when I took a pause and I was back at home. I had quit my job and I thought about what I want to do next. And this is where Soulful Streets came into the picture. कि अब healthy खाऊंगी और healthy खिलाऊंगी भी. Because as I've said it earlier, a lot of people do not know how healthy food can help, how it can cure, how it can, food in general can be a reason for cure or cause of diseases in your life. With Soulful Streets, what we're trying to do is we're trying to reinvent street food, because in today's time, if you ask me, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है एक स्ट्रीट वेंडर के पास जाके खाने में. मैं सबसे पहली चीज़ देखती हूँ कि वो हाइजीनिक है कि नहीं है, एंड 99% ऑफ द टाइम नहीं होते हैं. Not just them, the staff, but the utensils. If you look at the preparation, the way they're preparing it, and
Brother, please heat it up and fill 2 plates.
how can you trust that it's going to be good for your health? Now, what we do is we keep it completely hygienic. So the food that we prepare, the concept is, number one, to reinvent street food, make it healthy, bring out a healthier version where no sugar is used, no all-purpose flour is used, yet you can enjoy all those street meals that you crave for. Number two, we cook with intention. This theory, how I wish I could reach out to so many people and tell this to everybody out there that it works. क्यों कहते हैं कि माँ के खाने का स्वाद अलग होता है? Why does it hit different to you? Because it's all about intention it is prepared with. And there are a lot of reports and studies that have been done around it. I'll try and put a few links of those studies in the description. But yeah, that is true. So we do it intentionally, where we want to heal people, where we want to serve people. And that's what Soulful Streets is right now about. And yeah, that's pretty much about Soulful Streets. And that's why we say Soulful Streets, a healthy bite promise, because it's a promise to serve healthy, to serve each bite as healthy, as intentionally prepared as we can. I think I've spoken enough. Now I'll just quickly get ready and record that as well to end the video with it. There's a notion in everybody's mind that healthy food is boring. So with Soulful Streets, we're trying to change that. Because healthy food is not boring. It's just that junk all these years. It's been put out and portrayed as fancy food, and that's why ghar ka khana, food that is home or brings you back home, is looked at as boring. मेकअप करते करते माइंड में आया, सो आई थॉट क्यों ना रिकॉर्ड ही कर लूँ. देखो, हम सबको लगता है हेल्दी खाना, हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल रखना का मतलब होता है कि आप जीना छोड़ दो, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू। हेल्दी खाने का मतलब ये भी तो हो सकता है कि आप अपना मेजर पार्ट हेल्दी रखो ऑफ लाइफ, और कभी कभी क्योंकि आप एडिक्टेड हो, इतना इजीली नहीं छोड़ पाओगे, तो कभी कभी वो सब भी खा लो, बट मेजॉरिटी टाइम आपकी जो चॉइसेस हो वो हेल्दी हो। एंड अगर आप कर सकते हो तो खुद के लिए मील्स प्रिपेयर करो। There's nothing better than that। आपको कुछ क्रेविंग हो रही है, लेट्स से वो एक फ्राइड आइटम की ही है, अब आप बाहर का फ्राइड खाओगे जहां आपको नहीं पता वो कैसा बना है, आप खुद फ्राई करके खा लो। लाइक मैं उसे एयर फ्राई करूंगी, बट आप फ्राई करके खा लो, बाहर जाके भी खा लो, बट थोड़ा कम खाओ, इज ऑल व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। क्योंकि अगर मैं कहूँ ऐसा करने से आपकी लाइफ कम होगी, बाहर का खाने से, अनहेल्दी खाने से आपकी लाइफ कम होगी, तो क्या आप फिर भी खाओगे? नहीं ना। तो उस स्टेज तक क्यों पहुंचना है जहाँ पे आपको बहुत खर्चा करना पड़ेगा मेडिसिन पे, आपकी हेल्थ खराब होगी, आपको नहीं पता आपके साथ क्या क्या होगा। इससे अच्छा है कि हम अभी से ही वो स्टेप्स ले लें और वो सब अवॉइड कर दें। That's how I think. And I'm ready. I'll show you in the next video हमारी date night कहाँ थी. So stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you in the next video.